So not all languages are verbal, are they? American Sign Language has not only been an incredible influence in the deaf community, but it's also a great gift to music. To this day, it seems to be one of those languages that makes people the most happy, the most excited whenever they see me use it. Don't tell me not to fly, I'm simply got to. If someone takes a spill, it's me and not you. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? I'm gonna march my band down. I'll beat my drum, yeah. And if I'm thinking now, your turn at bat, sir. Hey, at least I didn't make it. Sir, guess what? I didn't make it. You're on a shiny yellow love, it's time. I've gotta fly once, I've gotta try once. Only get down once, right, sir? Ooh, life is juicy, juicy and juicy. Gotta have my fight, sir. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade?